Ram Mandir, the Bhavya Ram Mandir that happened in Ayodhya early this year. And next year in January, it will complete 1 year of its inauguration. Ahead of the Pran Pratishtha of Bhagwan Ram, the Sena UBT MP, Sanjay Raut, who has now reignited Mandir politics. Now, while responding to the RSS chief, Mohan Bhagwat's recent remarks emphasizing that Ram Mandir was a historic movement for the nation, Sanjay Raut says that it is not just the BJP and the RSS that can claim credit, but others like the Shiv Sena, the VHP and even the Congress had a contribution towards the Ram Mandir movement. Sanjay Raut's statement has sparked off a political war of words, with the BJP reminding Uddhav Sena of Congress's anti-Ram and anti-Mandir stance in the past. But first, let's listen into what he said on the Ram Mandir movement.
राम मंदिर एक आंदोलन रहा इस देश का। मैं मानता हूं इस आंदोलन में और राम मंदिर के निर्माण में सभी का योगदान रहा है। सिर्फ बीजेपी का या मोदी जी का योगदान नहीं था। मोदी वहां कहीं नहीं थे। उसमें आरएसएस थी, बीजेपी के लोग भी शामिल थे। नहीं, अडवाणी जी थे, शिवसेना थी, विश्व हिंदू परिषद थी, बजरंग दल थे। यही नहीं, कांग्रेस पार्टी के लोग भी शामिल थे उसमें, मैंने देखा है।
The BJP, on the other hand, has slammed Uddhav's party, saying that after compromising on Savarkar and Hindutva, it was now branding Congress as a contributor to the Mandir movement. BJP also listing Congress's stance on Ram Mandir, alleging that the party even denied the very existence of Lord Ram and even mocked the Pran Pratishtha ceremony as Nach Gana.
उद्धव ठाकरे जी की पार्टी का सियासी धर्मांतरण हो चुका है और इस प्रकार से धर्मांतरण हो चुका है कि न केवल वीर सावरकर जी को त्यागा, न केवल हिंदुत्व को त्यागा, पर संजय राउत उनके सबसे करीबी नेता बोलते हैं कि राम मंदिर आंदोलन में बीजेपी, आरएसएस, संघ परिवार, शिवसेना के अलावा कांग्रेस का योगदान था। सोचिए, वही कांग्रेस पार्टी जो प्रभु श्री राम के अस्तित्व को नकारती है, वही कांग्रेस पार्टी जिसके प्रधानमंत्री ने कहा कि बाबरी फिर से बनाएंगे। अब इसी को कहते हैं तुष्टीकरण की राजनीति में हर प्रकार से हर सीमा को पार कर देना। कांग्रेस पार्टी तो 6 दिसंबर को शौर्य दिवस नहीं मानती, संजय राउत जी।
So was the Congress a contributor in Ram Mandir movement, as Uddhav Sena seems to be claiming, or a roadblock in Mandir construction, as the BJP seems to be claiming? Congress, in fact, has also reacted to Sanjay Raut's statement, claiming that it indeed had a contribution in Mandir construction after the Supreme Court ruling came in Ayodhya case. Congress, meanwhile, also trained guns in the BJP, accusing it of being a divisive force, trying to keep the focus away from real issues. Not just the Congress, even Samajwadi Party echoed the same and said the discussion should rather now be on real issues like employment and caste census.
इस देश के हर क्षेत्र में और हर क्षेत्र के निर्माण में कांग्रेस पार्टी का रोल रहा है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट के आदेश के बाद कांग्रेस पार्टी ने भी राम मंदिर निर्माण में अपना सहयोग किया और आने वाले समय में राष्ट्र के निर्माण में कांग्रेस पार्टी अपना सहयोग कर रही है।
शिवसेना क्या कह रही है? भारतीय जनता पार्टी तो इसका कॉपीराइट है। होल सोल आंदोलन चलाने वाले लोग और जो लोग रामनामी थे, जिन लोगों ने इस देश में दंगे फसाद करा के हत्याएं कितनी हुई, फसाद कितने बड़े बड़े हुए, आज तो लोग केंद्र में बड़ी बड़ी पदों पे बैठे हुए हैं। जो राम मंदिर बाबरी मस्जिद डिस्प्यूट था, सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जरिए यह सेटल्ड हो चुका है। अखिलेश जी चाहते हैं कि देश में ओल्ड पेंशन स्कीम का सेंसस, एम्प्लॉयमेंट, उस पर चर्चा होनी चाहिए।
Well, let's get in a word from Mohit, who is joining us live right now. Good morning, Mohit. As far as the Ram Mandir issue is concerned, that refuses to die down over the politics that has now been taking place with the Congress and the Samajwadi Party saying that the movement is now done, the Mandir that has been made, Pran Pratishtha also being done. Let's now focus on real issues.
Well, yes, in fact, and you see, since the statement, Amita, has come from Sanjay Raut, where he stated that not just the BJP and the RSS, but Bajrang Dal, Shiv Sena and Congress Party also contributed for the construction of Ram Temple. This is something which has not gone down well with the BJP. Now, the BJP clearly states that the Congress Party raised questions on existence of Lord Ram. It's the same Congress Party where the leader, Rahul Gandhi, in a clear reference to Rahul Gandhi, said that the consecration ceremony of Ram Temple was just a Nach Gana. So the BJP says that just for the sake of appeasement politics, and now that the Congress, the Shiv Sena, I beg your pardon, has realized that their electoral point is frisking away. The voters, the core voters of Shiv Sena are going away. They are feeling detached because the Shiv Sena has lost their the ideology. Shiv Sena, the Thackeray has lost their original ideology of Hindutva, and perhaps that is why Sanjay Raut wants to go back to the Hindutva ideology. But in a way, he has also played the appeasement politics by saying that the Congress party also contributed for the construction of Ram Temple. So the BJP is hitting out at Shiv Sena, saying that it was a Congress party that raised questions on existence of Lord Ram. They were the lawyers from the who were the members of the Congress party who stood against Lord Ram's temple in Supreme Court. And in fact, the BJP goes on to say it's Rahul Gandhi who termed the consecration ceremony of Ram Temple as Nach Gana. So clearly the BJP is hitting out at Shiv Sena, while we have to wait and watch what exactly the Congress party will have to say on this particular
well, the
issue.
BJP hitting out as far as the Uddhav Sena is now concerned, calling it as a political conversion on part of the party, as far as when it is now giving in and giving that contribution and credit to the Congress party as well of being a part of the Ram Mandir movement. Thank you very much for the moment, Mohit, for joining in. Heading into a short break, you're watching Times Now.